Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add money to PayPal from debit card or credit card or bank account. You can do this inside your own PayPal account, but this is not going to work if you are using the app on your phone, like the PayPal app that you have downloaded from App Store or Play Store. Now you will need to use the web version, okay? Now you want to use the website. You want to use, for example, if you are using iPhone, you can use Safari, or you can use Google Chrome if you are using Android phone. Okay, so that's really because I just contacted PayPal. They said to me that this method doesn't really work for mobile users, but it can work if you like log in into your PayPal using the browser, not the app. Okay, so if you do that after you log in into your PayPal, then follow the steps in this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add the money from debit card or like credit card or bank account. You can do that, okay, inside your PayPal account. After you open, guys, your PayPal account, you want to click on transfer. By the way, I'm going to be showing you guys multiple methods. First on there is I'm going to be showing you guys multiple methods in this video, especially for people who live outside of United States, because it's going to be harder for them. So that's why I got like a very good method that will help them add the money to their PayPal from their credit card or bank account. Now for people who live in United States, this is going to be a much easier process. You just need to click on transfer funds, and there will be three different options here. Now I live outside of United States. Now I'm not able to see here three different options here. Now for you will find here at the bottom here, add the money, okay, to your PayPal. Now you want to click on that and make sure you add the credit card or bank account. Make sure the name is exact name as on your PayPal account, okay? Make sure it has the exact same name, and then add the credit card information, and then the money will be sent to your PayPal from your card, okay? And this process is free, so don't really have to pay any fee, okay? There is no fee involved in this, okay? So that's exactly how you can do that if you live outside, if you live in United States. But if you live in United States and still you are not able to see that, add the money, because probably you live in a state where this feature is not supported, then the another method is going this method that I'm about to show you right now is going to work for everyone, okay? So it will work for everyone. You live in United States, you don't live in United States, this is going to work, okay? Even if you live, for example, in Africa or Europe, this is going to work if you want to add the money to your PayPal, okay? So what you guys need to do, you want to click here, it says request money, okay? So after, guys, you click on request money, then you want to come up, you want to create a new email address, okay? That's exactly what I did here. Now I'm going to show you guys, I have like an email, of course, an email address that is connected with my PayPal that I used to log in into my PayPal account. And what I did is I created another one, okay, so that I can request money from myself, okay, so that I can add the money from myself, from my credit card to my PayPal. That's really the trick I used. Now I'm going to create a new email. I already did that, okay? So I'm going to request money. For example, this person, which is just me, okay, I'm going to request money from me. I'm going to enter here the email, and I'm going to click on request, okay, and then click on next, okay? Now here you want to enter the amount that you want to request from this person, which is you, okay? It's you who wants to pay yourself so that you can add the money to your PayPal. That's exactly the trick. Now I'm going to request from myself, I would say $100, okay? So here, what is this for? Like, what the purpose of this payment? Nothing. I'm going to add here nothing, okay? And then I'm going to click on the request payment. Now after, guys, you click on the request payment, as you can see, it says here you requested $100 from this person, which is just me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and open my email that I have created, and I'm going to see if there is a request or not, that someone requests money from me. As you can see, from PayPal you have got money requests, okay? Hi, Rashid Otal, which is my name, sent you a money request. Now what you guys need to do in this case, you just need to click on pay now, okay? So after, guys, you click on pay now, then you can pay $100 using your credit card or bank account. Now it will ask you guys to create a PayPal account. You don't really need to do that. You can just click on pay without PayPal account. Okay, so after guys you click on pay without PayPal account, then you want to select here your own country. Okay, your own country, and then the first name, the last name, the card number, which is this is my card number. It seems like I'm adding here the security code. Okay, all right. Okay, so you want to enter the address and the postal code and city and town here, like the city of your country, and after that you want to add here the phone number and the email address. Okay, so that's exactly guys what you need to do. Okay, that's exactly what you need to do, and after that you want to click here on agree and create. Okay, so that's exactly guys how you can pay yourself. Okay, how you can add the money to your own PayPal account using this method. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Please drop a like if this tutorial helped you guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial. See you guys.